Hi, I am Jayani Sanjula. I am from Minuanguda. After completing my bachelor degree in tourism and cultural resource management in University of California, I really want to go abroad for my higher studies, for my master. Then I got to know about the study advisor, which is situated in Kadawatha city, uh, through my friend. Then first of all, I would like to thank my consultant, Mr. Danushka. He is very helpful and supportive through my documentation process, and he is always encouraged me through my visa achieving journey. And also, I want to thank the team, Mr. Dean, Mr. Dileepa, Ms. Anisha, and all other team members in the study advice agency. If you want to go abroad for higher studies in any Europe country or any other country in the world, I highly recommended this agent study advisor. Thank you very much.